Lo Jibaijan Kai Tini oro Pai Manjak Bajak Tini Rangkol Hatini Badar Sobo Borom Grand Cabinet Minister Honorable Minister Sri Vikas Devarma Tai Senior Honorable MLA the Chief Whip Honorable MLA Srimati Kolani Shah Roy Madam Tejini ora Pai Manjak Bajak Joto BJP ni adong so Te ora khanawi tongnai Te bazaro himoi tongnai Joto lukurong no Sarik sal kecang jorani jiba ya pare Kok these thaini kok sanai Nora joto no saimano Tini cektan ni ora kuthum laikha Ora bazar hati wo Rangkol hati wo cektan kuthum laikha Tapi inke Finally, 12 तारीख चीनी TTADC ने चौंगमरी आरनी आंग भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने ngui आंग नो vote पाताई नाई आने बुमुंग नो बिलु जमा दिया नोरा कबामा कैंपिंग on नुखना कबामा social media on नुखना ते कबामा press ने होते print media na hoite nora nukhna je ani koibung ani awaibung ang tam saka tam saya kubango nukhna khna te khna yang tunero tini ang haina te sabinai je ta thokok jabi nora sisaba sibi mia malik bazar hatiro buba garani kokthai khnawi Ang haina norong no muito kena musuku. Boro kemana kok sawinai, kok no oleh pore kainai norong no confused kai toka. Boro sagaje BJP sarkar kelaikan kai, TTADC habang no general kelainai, bat TTADC no balik canai. Kintu akok tabal, akok totally false. Jadi si BJP asing no, TTADC no dissolve mana ngagai, bawa kali kelaipe kamu. Jammu and Kashmir ne hai, Article 370 no sundarima nongkai, oh sini TTADC le cikon sasi, omona bos kami nol pe kamu nol kai, omona nobo nol lagi TTADC no tongai, 6 schedule andaron tongai, omona sini Bharatiya Janata Party sarkar haibani ulo omono TADC khajak nai thasingo chini honorable minister usai kalangkha tamlei TTC Tripura Autonomous Territorial Council thik Bodoland hai BTC hai chini bu Territorial Council khajak nai obo khlaikha kai chini je direct funding ni issue tomani greater economy political rights of the CEM DJ ঠিক ভাবে যে ইউজ নাই গাকাই টেবল সে মজা গাবো গ্রেটার ইকোনমি গ্রেটার অটোনমি যত না মান থানায় ধরো নাকি যে বড় যে চিরিনি তমো ডাইরেক্ট ফান্ডিং নে নাই আ ডাইরেক্ট ফান্ডিং নি সলিউশন নো যে তোমরা ভাই তমো চিনি ম্যানিফেস্টো ওনো নুখনা চিনি সংকল্প পত্র নুখনা 29 পয়েন্টস কাও Aron bising over kaisa. Chini manifesto ono rogunai. Je asik borok protest hai bhai tomani. Je direct funding issue, constitutional right, 125th amendment. Amono joto no kaisa ke chini tomo. Tamo je ibang luk tomani amok thano ibang tomo. Am bangino chini Bharatiya Janata Party sarkar paikang kai. Obotono kaisa ke jotono puro ngai puilana hapai paru chini Bharatiya Janata Party no jano 11 mohore putela mora ngai Bharatiya Janata Party ngai nai vote patai nai ana sudur mani bagai jeng tak phainai 5 years ni bagai sibia jeora ni khora khanai to nai ro jeng sudur 5 years ni bagai ya So 20 years ahead, 30 years ahead, once a week, some of the agona nangai. जों थानाय जे सरकार चालावबाय थाखा बर'नि गाहाम हामाया नरं नाना सायखनारिखा जत केम्पिंआव थाङाखै नरं नाना सायखनारिखौ हाय इंया अबहाय इंया थानायनि सरकारले फायबो माजा फाया अबहाय इंया जों हाखाय जोंनि भारतीय जनता पार्टी हाखाय जों कम सावो जों एक्शन खालायफुनांगौ जों सामंसे खालायफुनांनाय जे बर' सामानि जे बर' जिरिमानि जों अम जतनो सामं खालायफुनांनाय Tangan kita English itu sanai. Dear friends, all my friends, brothers and sisters, listening to me at this Rangkhol market. My name is Bilo Jamatia. I am the selected candidate from Bharatiya Janata Party of 11 Maharanipur ST seat. As you have seen or you have heard few days ago that during my door-to-door camping and during my camping where I have gone door-to-door, where I have gone to various places of this constituency, and I have also mentioned that I have been attacked in some few places like Namonjoy, Manik Bazar. You can see gradual growth, gradual strength of people's love towards Bharatiya Janata Party. As days goes by, many people call me all the time. They say, brother, we would like to join your party. In fact, in one's place, the name of the place is Chaplai. As I was going door to door camping, one of an elderly person came to me and he asked me, brother, how to join your party? Then I said, you don't have to do anything. You just come with me right now and you can join me from right now, right at the moment. So these old people, all people, the youth, especially the women, the way they are showing me the support, the way they are showing me the love and encouragement, that gave me more strength. As you all know that this is my first time representing any political party. Prior to this, I was serving as a confidential assistant to Honorable Minister Sir, and prior to that, I was a teacher. So, teaching itself is a noble profession, but that help could be extended only within certain boundaries, only inside the classroom. So now, Bharatiya Janata Party has given me opportunity to lead the nation and to be the voice of the people of this Rangkhol Hati, and also to be the voice of the youth of entire 11 Maharanipur. So thank you for gracing this evening and patiently listening to me. My request in this evening will be that please share the message to everyone to say no to violence. Yes, you can see I have not retaliated even through microphone or not even through physically. Physically is out of the box. I have not even retaliated through the microphone as well, because I firmly believe that only love can change everything. Do love and you'll get back the love. So I firmly believe in the saying, do unto others what you want them to do unto you. That's why I urge people through the media as well, and through people who are listening to me at this Hati, at this market, please send this message to everyone. Do not say yes to violence. Don't let it happen in your village. It will always bring disheartenment, sorrows, anger. This is all the barriers to all upcoming development. So this time, vote for change, vote for good governance, vote for administrative reform, and vote for voicing out the youths. Now, I take this opportunity to thank everyone and to bless me by giving them one particular vote. Do not get angry to the previous government as well. Do not get angry to the representative earlier. respected EM he was, Sri Kamal Kaloy, do not get angry to him right now. Show your anger on the 12th by casting a vote in Bharatiya Janata Party, that is in the serial number 3 in the sign of lotus flower. Thank you everyone. Jatona Purumbaika, Belai Belena Hambai, Bande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, BJP Jindabad.